Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, Maths Tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. See here, given ABC is the triangle where AB, BC and AC lengths are given and three circles are drawn touching each other with the vertices of the center. We need to find the radius of three circles separately. So let's a small circle as 1 and the middle circle as 2 and the bigger circle as 3. Now let's take the small circle which is 1. So in that you can see that CR OC or CO are the radius of the circle. So CR is equals to OC or is equals to X. Let that radius of the small circle is X and let OA or AP is Y. So Y is the radius of the circle 2. Now the third circle, the bigger circle, which is BR and BP are the radius. So let's assume that Z, so Z be the radius of the circle 3. A given AB length is 10 centimeters. So if AB length is 10 centimeters, so AP plus a BP, so we can write that. See, in AB, a P is the midpoint, so AP plus PB. So AP is nothing but Y and BP is Z. So Y plus Z is equals to 10. So let this as the first equation. Now take a look at the given length of the other side of the triangle, so which is BC. BC is equals to 8 centimeter, which is given. So here please take a look at the diagram. The BC means R is the middle of that BC length, so we can write BC as BR plus CR. So the BR plus CR is equals to 8 centimeter, BR is equals to Z and CR is equals to X. So we can write it as X plus Z is equals to 8 centimeter. Let this equation as the second equation. And the final point is given AC. So here the AC is the 6 centimeter and where O is there in between AC. So we can split A and C as CO or OC plus OA or AO equals to 6 centimeter. Here the CO length is the radius of circle 1, which is X, and AO is the radius of the second circle, which is Y. So X plus Y is equals to 6 centimeter. So now we got three equations, separate equations. So we name that equations as 1, 2 and 3. Now solve all three equations and find the values of X, Y, Z. So X, Y, Z are the radius of the three circles. So first let's subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So which is 2 minus 1. So we'll get X plus Z minus Y plus Z, yes, is equals to 8 minus 10, like this. So we'll get x plus z minus y minus z is equals to minus 2. See here we have plus z and minus z, so z minus z cancels out, we'll get x plus y. X minus y is equals to minus 2. Let this equation as the fourth equation. Now please take a look at the third equation. We have x plus y equals to 6 centimeter, and the fourth equation is x minus y is equals to minus 2 centimeter. So just equate equation 3 and equation 4 and find the values of x and y. So add both the equations. So if we add both the equations, we'll get x plus y plus x minus y equals to 6 minus 2. So x minus y, x plus y. So here we have a plus y and minus y. So cancels out. 6 minus 2 becomes 4. So we have 2x is equals to 4. And x is equals to 4 by 2, which is 2. So we got x is equals to 2. Now find the values of y and z. So just substitute x value into the fourth equation, which is x minus y is equals to minus 2. So if you substitute x is equals to minus 2, we'll get minus y is equals to minus 4 and y is equals to 4 centimeter. So now we got x and y, and now find z. So just substitute x and y values into the first equation. So let's take either first or second equation. Yeah, so the second equation is x plus z. X plus z is equals to 8 centimeter. So if x is 2 centimeters, so then 2 plus z is equals to 8, and z is equals to 8 minus 2, which is 6 centimeter. So we got x is equals to 2, y is equals to 4, and z is equals to 6 centimeter. So finally we can conclude that the radius of the given circles are 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 6 centimeter respectively. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.